Okay, students, this one is the first question. Good morning, everyone. This one is the first question of practice set 6.3. Okay, here you can see the first question. Construct triangle ABC such that construct triangle A, B, and C such that B is equals to 100 degree, BC is equals to 6.4 centimeter, and C is equals to 50 degree. Okay, we have to draw what construct. It's in circle. We have to draw in circle in this question. So this one is, you can see, this one is rough figure as we draw here. Okay, as I draw here to explain you, this one is the rough figure that I can draw here. Okay, then first we have to draw line 6.4 centimeter, line BC 6.4 centimeter we have to draw. Then we have to take D on it. We have to take D on point B. We have to take D on point B, and we have to take 100 degree and draw the line. We have to take 100 degree and draw the line, because B, here you can see, B is equals to 100 degree, then C is equals to 50 degree. So here you have to put D on point C, and you have to take 50 degree from here. Then you have to draw one diagram. Okay, you have to draw one triangle. Then for in circle, a student, concentrately listen here. For in circle, you have to put the one point of rounder on B, and you have to mark these two arcs. Then you have to put one point of triangle C, and you have to put these two marks. Okay, these questions I also explained you in a Zoom lecture. Okay, so this will be easy for you. Okay, मैंने in detail आपको Zoom में explain किए हैं ये चैप्टर्स, ये जो क्वेश्चंस है वो, तो आप लोग को अभी इजी पड़ रहा होगा. ठीक है, देन यू हैव टू पुट राउंडर ऑन D point, and you have to mark these 2 points, and you have to put rounder on C, and you have to put these 2 points. With the help of these 2 points, you have to draw the arc. Okay, concentrately see here. When you put one point of rounder here and draw with the pencil one arc, then from here 2 arc, then same as point C also. Okay, from this 1 arc, and from this 2 arc, from this one 2 arc. Okay, so it will be connect with each other, it will be bisect with each other. The point which should be shown here, we have to draw the circle. We have to put one point of a rounder on this point. When these two arcs are joined, okay, we have to put a rounder on this point, and other point is on this point. Okay, then we have to draw in circle, not out circle. We have to draw in circle in that question, in this question. Okay, then the next question is construct PQR, construct PQ and R. P is equals to 70 degree, R is equals to 50 degree, and point QR is equals to 7.3 degree. Okay, 7.3 centimeter. So here we have to find first angle Q. So how we will find? PQR is equals to PQ plus Q, P plus Q plus R is equals to 180 degree. The reason is sum of measure of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so the value of P is 70. Value of Q we have to find here, because we have to draw the circumcircle. Okay, means out circle. Then we have to put Q as it is, because we have to find. Then R is 50 and 180 as it is we will put here. Then 70 plus 50, that is 120, and q as it is we will write here because q we don't know the answer. Then is equals to 180 degree. Then 180 degree is equals to 120, sorry, q is equals to 180 degree minus 120. When we change the side of 120, it will be changing minus sign. Okay, so 180 minus 120, that is 60. So angle q we will made it 60. Okay, so here qr is 7.3 centimeter we will have to draw. Then from angle q we have to take on d 60 centimeter, and from angle r we have to take point d on it, and it will be 50 centimeter. Okay, so the triangle will be shown. Then we have to take more than half of these two lines or these two lines, as your wish which line you have to get. Okay, these two lines where we will get these two lines measure. Okay, more than half. Then I will put rounder on r, then I will take more than half, then I will draw arc 1 and arc 1 from this point, from r point, and from with the help of p I will mark these two arcs. Okay, this 2 1 and this 2 arcs. Then I will join these two lines. As same like that, with the help of point P and Q, we have to draw these two arcs also, and we have to join this one also. When we found the point, so we have to put one point of the rounder on C and one point of the rounder on P. Okay, one point of the rounder on C, one point of the rounder P. Then we have to draw this circle. This one is circumcircle because the question is construct its circumcircle. That's why we will draw a circumcircle. In a last question, the question is in circle. That's why we will draw in circle. Okay. Then the third question is construct XYZ such that XYZ, okay, construct XYZ, okay, such that XY is equals to 6.7 centimeter, YZ is equals to 5.8 centimeter, XZ is equals to 6.9 centimeter. Construct in circle. In circle means circle inner the triangle. Okay, so XYZ, तो हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले स्केल पे XY लेंगे. Okay, line XY we will draw. Then take with the help of rounder measurement 6.9, and we will put one point of a rounder on X, and we will draw one arc from point X. Okay, with the distance of 6.9 centimeter. Then we will take 5.8 centimeter on the rounder with the help of scale. Okay, then we will put one point of a rounder on Y, and we will draw the arc of 5.8 centimeter from this. Then we will draw this triangle. Okay, then we have to take more than half of these points. Okay, we have to take more than half. Sorry, we have to take Y point, like because it's in circle now, we have to draw out circle, so we will take more than half. Okay, but in circle we have to take point Y, then we have to draw this 2 marks, and point X we have to draw this 2 marks, and with the help of these 2 marks we have to draw the arcs. Okay, with help of these 2 marks, okay, we have to draw this arcs. Okay, from these 2 points. First we will put rounder on point Y, then we will mark these 2 points. Then for second one we put rounder on x, then we will mark these 2 points. Then with the help of these 2 points we have to put 1 point of a rounder here, and we have to draw one arc. Then we have to put second point of a rounder here, then we have to draw this arc, and then we have to join this line as it is like x and this arc also. Then the point which will be show here, we have to draw in circle with the help of this point. Okay, then the fourth question is very easy dear. Fourth question is LM is 7.2 centimeter, m is equals to 105 degree, and mn is equals to 64 centimeter. So first we have to draw mn is equals to 64 centimeter. Then we have to take rounder, and mark 105 degree on it. 105 degree on it. Okay, then we have to take rounder and take measurement 7.2 and put on point M, and we have to draw this arc, and then we have to join this triangle from with the help of this mark which is measured as 7.2 centimeter. Okay, then the point which will be created with the help of this point, you have to draw out circle. Okay, that is circumcircle. Then the last question is such that DE is equals to EF. Okay, DE is equals to EF, दोनों भी कितना है 6 सेंटीमीटर. देन F इज इक्वल्स टू, F कितना दिया है मुझे 45 डिग्री. F कितना दिया है मुझे 45 डिग्री. देन मुझे जब ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करना होता है तो मुझे दोनों साइड का मेजर जो है वो लेना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड DEF. ओके, वी हैव टू फाइंड मेजर एंगल D with the help of 45 degree. Okay, major angle DFE and EDF. So major angle DFE is 45 degree, and EDF is also 45 degree. That means if F is equals to 45 degree, so D is also 45 degree, and 45 plus 45, that is 90 degree. So angle DEF is 90 degree. Okay, 45 plus 45 is 90 degree, so angle E is 90 degree. Okay, so here we can take line EF with centimeter 6. Okay, then take D on point E. Okay, and then we have to draw the 90 degree line. Then we have to take more than half of these two lines. We have to take first 6 centimeter on it. Then we have to draw the triangle. Then we have to take more than half of these two lines, and we have to draw the arc from these 2 points with this one arc. Okay, from this one and from this one. Then we have to draw the arc with the help of D and E. Okay, D से यहाँ पे एक आर्क बनेगा और E से एक बनेगा, फिर यहाँ पे भी सेम वैसे ही दोनों से. देन ये जो है वो जॉइंट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो द पॉइंट विच विल बी मेंशन हियर, that is point C. We have to draw circumcircle because construct the circumcircle they will show you.